Hi again, everybody. It's me, Mr. Philplick, and I am going to teach you how to make this really super simple game that has some animations, but more importantly, it has a variable to count your score. So stick around and let's see what we got. We're going to make another game today. I'm going to show you. Really, this game, it's a really simple game, actually. Excuse me. And it's going to be dealing with variables. We've talked a lot about variables in class before, and this game is a really simple one. It's going to deal with variables. Basically, it's going to be a character interacting with other sprites, and the variable, which is going to be score, is going to increase. So let's get started, okay? So once this loads, we are going to, as usual, get rid of our cat, and then I'm going to just make the stage there a little bit smaller. Okay, so let's go and create a new sprite. This is going to be a dog, and this dog is going to be looking for a bone, and is going to collect the bones, and that's where our variable is going to increase. So we have our dog, there it is. And now let's make that variable. So we're going to head over to the coding tab, click variables, make a variable, and we will call this one score. And hit OK. So now we can see we've got score and we have all kinds of things there. And what we'll do next is when we start the game, we will start this on the green flag clicked. We are going to go back to our variables and set the variable, not my variable, but score to 0. And we will throw in a forever loop. From within or inside the forever loop, we want our dog to point towards our mouse pointer, and it'll move 10 steps. That might be a little too fast, but we will adjust that later. And then, you know what? We're going to animate it. This dog has a few different costumes. Okay, so animate it to the next costume. And it's going to keep on doing this. Okay, now let's make a new sprite. Choose a sprite. And let's search, no, not for a bone. Let's see, what can the dog eat? So I'm going to click on food, and the dog today is going to eat, let's go with tacos. There we go. The dog is going to eat these tacos. Okay, so we see here that the taco is fairly large. So we are going to shrink this taco. So we're going to do it through code. So when we click the green flag, we are going to then change the size, set size to, let's try 50%. Let's see what that looks like. I just want to check it out. Okay, that's not bad. I'm going to go actually a little bit smaller. Let's go 30%. Yeah, that's not bad. We'll keep it like that. So we're going to have it set to 30. We are going to make sure it is shown. Then in the forever loop, again, if then statement is next. We are going to be sensing for our dog. So if it's touching, not the mouse pointer this time, but dog 2, because that's what the sprite was, we are simply going to change the score. So variable, change the score variable by 1 each time, and then hide the bone, or hide the taco in this situation. And we are going to hide that. Okay. So, let's see. There we go. My score is now at 1. Okay. That's fun with one taco. Now we can duplicate this and duplicate this then duplicate this, and duplicate this, and duplicate this, however many times you want. So let's see now. So we got tacos all over the place. My score is increasing. I'll make that a little bit bigger so you can see it. We got the tacos. He ate the 6 tacos. And there you go. A really just simple game that's showing you how to animate. So my dog is animating here. And it's got the score that's increasing as well. Okay, really simple game.